Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss some problems based on the last lecture we have seen. Okay. See, here you have a question. If u is equal to e raised to xyz, show that dou square u divided by dou x dou y dou z, that is equal to 1 plus 3xyz plus x square y square z square e raised to xyz. So our function u is equal to e raised to xyz. So from it I can find out dou u by dou x first, right? What is dou u by dou x? That is e raised to on differentiation, that is e raised to x. Then we have to do this with respect to x, that is yz, right? Now I am differentiating this again with respect to y. Then I will get dou square u by dou y dou x. That is dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x we have already got, so I can substitute this value here instead of dou u by dou x. So that is dou by dou y of, I am substituting this dou u by dou x value, that is yz e raised to xyz. Now with respect to y, here z is a constant, so I am taking z out and the remaining I am doing using product rule. So first function into differential of second, that is e raised to xyz, and I have to do xyz with respect to y, that is xz plus e raised to xyz. That is second function into differential of second with respect to y, that is 1. Okay, so we got the value of dou square u divided by dou y dou x. Now I can differentiate this with respect to this result with respect to z, right? Then I will get dou cube u divided by dou y dou x dou z, right? So dou by dou z of this particular result that we have already seen here, that is I can write by multiplying xz square y xyz square e raised to xyz plus z e raised to xyz, right? So with respect to z I can take xy as a constant, xy into, by doing this z square into this one differentiation e raised to xyz with respect to z. Okay, so we are doing with respect to z. So here I can write this as xy, so I can take xy out. Okay, so that is this. So z e raised to xyz into, when I am doing this I will have xy. Okay, and when I keep this out, e raised to xyz out, and when doing this z, that is equal to 1. So here we have a confusion, right? So when you do this here, this is the differential of this. Here we have, when you do this term xy is a constant and z square into I am doing e raised to xyz. Okay, that is e raised to xyz. Okay, that is so here we need, there is a plus and here xy. Okay, so this is xy z square e raised to xyz into xy. Okay, with respect to z I am doing, so when I do this xy will be a constant. Okay, plus 2z. Okay, plus this term. Okay, now let us go to the remaining step. So out of these terms, okay, I can take this e raised to xyz out. So in all term we have e raised to xyz, so I am going to take that out, e raised to xyz. So if this is the first term, if I take e raised to xyz out, so I can write this as xy into, so I can write here, this is, here we have x square y square z square, right? That is x square y square z square e raised to xyz, right? E raised to, so e raised to we have taken out, right? So here 2z into we have e raised to xyz here. Okay, so again the 2xyz. So here we have 2xyz. Then the last term here are, if you take xyz out, so here I have xyz plus, if you take e raised to xyz here 1. Okay, so this is x square y square z square. Here 2xyz plus xyz, that is 3xyz, and here we have x square y square z square. Okay, so that's all about this question. Okay, now let us go to another question. Okay, if u is equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, show that dou by dou x of plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z of u is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z the whole square. And there is one more question, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to z by x square plus y x plus y plus z whole square. So let us come to the first option, that is u is equal to log x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus. So differential of log x is 1 by x, right? So dou u by dou x, that is 1 by this, okay, into, you have to differentiate this with respect to x, that is 3x square, this constant, that is 0. So 3x square minus 3yz. Okay, and now you can do dou x by dou y with respect to y. You are doing, that is log x on doing 1 by x, so 1 by this parameter into, with respect to y, this is a this x cube and z cube constant, so y cube on doing 3y square minus, with respect to y, this is 3xz. And similarly we can find out dou x by dou z also. If you add dou u by dou y and dou u by, so here we have dou by dou x, right? So this is dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. We can add this all. Okay, so we will have you can take 3 out, here x square, y square and z square, and we will have this z is minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, this we know that this is x plus y plus z whole square, right? And here this term, this we can write as x plus y plus z whole cube, right? Then this cube and this square term will cancel, so that is equal to 3 by x plus y plus z. Okay, so we got, that is 3 by x plus y, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, that is 3 by x plus y plus z. Now I want to find dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z whole square into u. Okay, so again write this 2 times, so this into dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the same quantity acts on u, that is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. This we got as 3 by x plus y plus z. Okay, now if I am doing dou by dou x with this 3 by x plus y plus z, okay, 1 by x on differentiation minus 1 by x square. Okay, so dou by dou x on doing, I will get a minus this 3, I can take under 3 by x plus y plus z square. When I am doing this x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1 with respect to x, that is 1, y and z, that is 0. Similarly here also I have minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square. Here also minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square. So that is equal to minus 9 by x plus y plus z whole square. Okay, now dou square u by dou x square. Okay, so once I get this dou by dou x, so here I have seen this dou u by dou x. Again I can do dou square u by dou x square using quotient rule, right? So square of the denominator, okay, square of the denominator into denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator. You can try yourself. Okay, so you will get an answer like this. Okay, And similarly, dou square u by dou y square, that also you can do in the same format. Okay, you can replace this. Once you get this result, then you can easily form this result. Okay, there is a pattern. X raised to 4 become y raised to 4, and here this x changes as y. Okay, with respect to y we are doing, and for the y it will come as z. Okay, so that way you can find out this. Okay, then dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square, by simplification you can prove as minus 3 by x plus y plus z the whole square. Okay, now another question is, if z is equal to x square tan inverse y by x minus y square tan inverse x by y, prove that dou square x by dou y dou x is equal to x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so what is dou z by dou x? So I can keep, so this first function, that is tan inverse y by x into second function on doing, I have 2x. Okay, 2x plus second function x square into tan inverse y by x on doing, that is 1 by 1 plus y by x the whole square, and I have to do this y by x, that is y I can take out, and 1 by x on doing minus 1 by x square. So we are doing with respect to x. Okay, now we have to do this also. So with respect to x we are doing, so y square I can take as a constant. When I do tan inverse x by y, so I will have y square by this y square into tan inverse x by y on 1 by x 1 plus x by y the whole square into x by y on doing with respect to x. 1 by y is a constant, x on doing 1, so 1 by y. So this I can simplify as 2x tan inverse y by x minus x square y divided by x square plus y square. Here minus this, here simplify this, and you will get y cube divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so 2x tan inverse y by x minus y into, so this on cross multiplication we will have y into x square plus y square. Okay, so you can write like this, right? So this is equal to 2x tan inverse y by x minus y. Now the question is, we want to find dou square x by dou y dou x. So we got dou z by dou x, right? So this is z, right? The question is asking about dou square z by dou y dou x. Okay, now we have dou z by dou x. Now with respect to y we can do this final result. Okay, so I can do this with respect to y. This is dou z by dou x. Okay, so dou square z by dou y dou x, that is dou by dou y of dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x we have got that, you can substitute here. Okay, so dou by dou y of this, that is here again I can apply this with respect to y. 2x is a constant, and tan inverse y by x on doing 1 by 1 plus y by x the whole square into, when I am doing with respect to y by x, I can take 1 by x out. When I am doing y, that's value is 1. Okay, minus, and when I am doing this one, I will get with respect to y, that is 1 minus 1. Okay, so that is x square minus y square divided by x square plus y square. Okay, now let us have another question, that is, if u is equal to f of r, where r square equal to x square plus y square, show that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to f dash r plus 1 by r f double dash r. Okay, so here see, when I am differentiating this, what I get, 2r into dou r by dou x is equal to 2x. With respect to x I am differentiating, here 2r into dou r by dou x, that is equal to 2x. Okay, so dou r by dou x, that is x by r. Okay, similarly with respect to y, if I am doing this, 2r into dou r by dou y, that is equal to 2y, then dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Okay, now our function u is equal to f of r, right? So what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is equal to f dash r into, if u is f of r, that is dou u by dou x is equal to f dash r into, I have to do this r, that is dou r by dou x, that is f dash r into x by r. Now what is dou square u by dou x square? I have to do this again, that is dou by dou x of f dash r x into divided by r. I have to do this again to find dou square u by dou x square. If I am substituting this, that is quotient rule, denominator square, that is denominator into derivative of denominator, numerator. Okay, that is first function into differential of second with respect to x, that is 1, plus second function into, when I am doing this, f double dash r into again dou r by dou x. Okay, minus, so the first function into differential of numerator minus, now numerator into, that is f dash r into x. Okay, here I have x, here I have f dash r into, when I am doing this r denominator, I will have dou r by dou x. Okay, so when I am rearranging this, I can take this 1 by r square out and r I can multiply to inside, that is r f dash r plus r into x, that is here f dou r by dou x is, I can replace as x by r. So this r and this r will cancel. So x into x square. So x square f double dash r, right? Minus, here also dou r by dou x, that is I can replace with this result x by r. When I am multiplying, so here we have no r. Okay, so I can keep here this x square f dash r by r. Okay, this is dou square u by dou x square, right? Similarly, if you find dou square u by dou y square, from it I can easily write 1 by r square into r f dash r, this all are common. Here x square replaces by y square. Okay, here x square all replaces by y by x square changes to y square. Now see, if you add this dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u plus dou y square, see what you will get, that is 1 by r square you can take out. Okay, so you can take this all terms, that is 2r f dash r, here x square plus y square into f double dash r, here also x square plus y square by r into f dash r. Okay, now we know this x square plus y square is equal to r square, that I can substitute here. So this is r square f double dash r, this is also r square, then this is r f dash r. So this is r f dash r minus 2r f dash r, that is f dash r. Okay, so I can write this as f dash r. So I am writing this here. So 1 by r square into, I can write as this r f dash r plus r square f double dash r. So when I am expanding this, I will get f dash r 1 by r f dash r plus f double dash r. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, now let me check the final. Okay, so this will be 1 by r f dash r plus f double dash r. Okay, I think this we want to prove in the question, right? Yes, f dash r plus 1 by r f double dash r. Okay, so f double dash r plus, so dou square u by dou x square plus, so here it is given correctly, so 1 by r f dash r plus f double dash r. Okay, so that's the correct answer. So in the question there is some mistake that you may correct. Okay, so this is all about this session, and in the next session we will discuss about Euler's theorem. Okay, thank you.